Ever wondered why your website isn't attracting the traffic you desire? Maybe you're making some common SEO mistakes. Irrelevant keywords and lack of mobile optimization are often culprits. These mistakes, though common, can be a major setback for your website's visibility. Let's not stop there. We have more SEO pitfalls to avoid. It's all too common to neglect quality content, overlook meta descriptions, or forget about using analytics. Remember, understanding these mistakes is the first step towards rectifying them. Now that we know the problems, let's talk about the solution. Authority Solutions, a seasoned expert in the SEO landscape, offers robust strategies to sidestep these common SEO blunders. With a track record of success stories, they equip your website to reach its full potential. Don't let common SEO mistakes hinder your website's potential. Reach out to Authority Solutions today. But we're not just about pointing out the problems. We want you to thrive. So like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Remember, Authority Solutions is here to help you with all your SEO needs. Contact us today and let's make your website shine.